Okay, hi guys. Okay, so today you are going to use the MultiSIM software, MultiSIM Live Online, that we introduced you to yesterday, and you're going to do this document right here, this assignment. Okay, so basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to do this AND gate right here. Okay, and then what you'll do is if 0 0 means off off, so low low, and then this goes to then the Z. If it's a 0, if the lead is off, you put a 0 here. If it's on, you put a 1 there. Okay, that's the first one. The second one then is an OR gate. So you do the same thing. Set up this circuit here, and I'll show you how to set it up. We're not going to use these switches. I talked to you about that yesterday, but I'll show you how to set that up. Then we're going to do this one. It's an AND and an OR gate, and then the final one is 2 OR gates. And then it's two AND gates here, then 2 OR gates, and then an AND gate going into an OR gate, and the third one just going straight into the OR gate. So I'm going to help you get started with this by setting this first one up here. Okay, so I'm going to go to what we did yesterday. We basically had it set up yesterday like this, except there's one change that I'm going to do now. We're not going to use this one here. Okay, I'm going to show you. I found a different one to make it a little better. Make it work a little better. Okay, we're going to do that instead. So let me rotate this. So where we've got the digital in, right? That's down here, found here. So there's digital in. There's 2 of them, which gives you switch 1, switch 2, right? And if I add a third one, it would be my third switch. Okay. So when it's on, it's on. When it's off, it's off. When it's at 1, it's on. When it's off 0, it's off. So then I've got my AND gate, which I got in this place location 2. Then this time, instead of using that light bulb, we're going to come up here to the indicators, which is right here, and we're going to use the LED. And I'm going to show you why now. It's a little easier to see. The light bulb is very tough to see. The LED here is a lot easier to see it going on and off. So I'm going to click there, rotate it. Actually, I'm going to rotate it twice. You see how the direction that it goes? I want the arrow going, the direction's going there. Give me 1 second. So now I'm going to do the video, do this LED here. I'm going to zoom in. If I zoom in, I find it a lot easier to be able to grab that, go into there. Oops. Zoom in out and out with the wheel, the mouse wheel. And then now watch what happens here. So now I'm going to start the circuit. I've got both these at 1, right? So I've turned them both to 0. Is the LED on or off? It's off. So I'd come over here and I'd put a 0 in there. I'm doing the first one for you. Then I turn the first one on. So if I look at this here, I've got A is off, so this is A, this is B. So A is off. Oops, let me turn A off, B on. And the LED is off, so it's a 0. So I put a 0 in the second location there. 0 would go there. Then now the next one, a third one is A is on and B is off. So A is on, B is off. It's off. I would put a 0 in. Then the last one is A is on and B is on. I turn both of them on and look what happens. See how it goes on there? That's a lot easier to see than that little light bulb. So same idea, but just using a different tool that I found that works a lot better. So that's how you can set up the first one set up. Then what you'll come through, and you'll come through here and you'll set up so then, the final thing, you got to take a picture of this circuit. So the way you do that is you come up here. Do you see this button right here, export? I say export, and I go to, give me a second first to make sure. All right, that was it. So export here, you go to schematic image, click on that. It's going to download something down here, and then I want you to go, it's going to download into your download folder on your Chromebook. So you can just go to that. If you look here, if I click on it here, you'll see this is what I want to upload into my document. So I would drag this file or import this file into my document in this cell right here. Does that make sense? So for me, I would let me go to my case. I go to my downloads folder here. Find there it is right there. And I'm going to just bring that into my document right there. And there it is. Okay? Does that make sense? So that's what you're going to be doing. You'll finish this document. You'll have 2 days to finish this assignment. And you should be able to easily get it done. Okay? If you need any help, let me know. And I can always set up a Google Meet with you and kind of walk you through how to do it a little bit more if you need that. Otherwise, that's it. Okay? Sorry, somehow my thing went off when I went to my downloads folder. So I think I got it all, but you see how I put that file in here, and then I go down here, and like I said, I'm not sure if you heard this or not, but I wanted to say it again in case you didn't. If you need help, send me an email. I can always set up a Google Meets with you and kind of go through the software a little bit more if you need help with that, okay? So that's what we're doing for the next, we're going to be using this software now going forward for at least a week, couple weeks. All right? Have fun with it.